Alright guys, so today's video we're talking about the new Oraimo Freepods 3 edition, which is the Oraimo Freepods 3C. As you can see, this comes with Avid based technology and Oraimo sound. That means you can sync it up with Oraimo sound app, and it says tailor your sound. We all know the regular one, which is the Oraimo Freepods 3. I have the 2 edition here. In this video, let's just talk about what we can find in the box and my first impression. Without wasting much of your time, Babatunde Motal here, and let's get down to business. So let's start off with the price. The price of the Oraimo Freepods 3C is about 18,000 naira here in Nigeria. I got mine for 18,000 naira to be sincere. And here on Jumia, you can see it is going for 16,900 naira. That is almost 17,000 naira, which is equivalent to about 23 US dollars as of the time of making this video. So you can go on Jumia and get yours right now. Probably Oraimo is going to release this on their eShop anytime soon, so you can also use this discount code right on your screen to get anything, including this Oraimo Freepods 3C once it is out from Oraimo, and that code is going to give you 5% discount from this Oraimo Freepods 3C and any Oraimo product that you get it with. So let's unbox this guy, let's see what's inside the box, and let's know what we are going to get. Is it just the normal one, or we have some upgrade? Let's find out. So there we go. Wow, Oraimo has never ceased to amaze me with this their packaging, and so this is how it looks like. I think it's just like the Oraimo Freepods 3 regular, no difference much. By the side, you are going to see it comes with this glossy round edges, and nothing much, basically almost the same thing. Let's come back to that. Let's see what you can find in the box. And the next thing you are going to find is the Oraimo Freepods 3C user guide, so you can go through that. A little bit lengthy. I'm going to see if there are extra features there. You can see it's a very lengthy one. You can go through that and get yourself familiar with the whole product. And let's check out next thing we are going to find in there is a short type C cable in green color. The next thing is extra air tips, the medium size and the small size. You already have one size on it, and let's see if there's any other thing. I think that's the last thing, nothing else. So basically that is all you are going to find in the box, and let's talk about the main meat of this video. So this is the earbuds themselves, so let's peel it off. All right, okay, wow, nice. So it comes with this protective film by the base. You make sure you remove that, or you peel that off. It's written on it that you should remove it and peel it off. Once you are done with that, you can now go to the next step and return them back to the case. Okay, like this. And close it. Remember to charge up your earbuds before the first time use. If not, you know what is going to happen. So make sure you charge it up for the first time and charge it fully. Make sure you are using a 5-volt 2 ampere maximum to charge this guy. Don't fast charge it, please. It's just a small earbud, don't fast charge it. So let me quickly share with you my first impression here, and let's connect it up. I'm going to use my Oraimo sound app. Okay, switch on my Bluetooth and bring out the Oraimo Freepods 3C. Let's see how this guy is going to fare. As you can see, it shows Oraimo Freepods 3C on my Bluetooth list. So I'm going to pair that. Let me put this in my hearings, in my ears. Okay, pair. Okay, I can hear a robotic sound that said connected. Just a female robot sound, you know, that connected sound. So Wow, guys, I need to tell you my first impression right now. This Oraimo Freepods 3C is very punchy. In terms of bass, these guys are up there. I mean, it's similar to the Oraimo Freepods 3. There's no much difference in there, but this time around, if you are not satisfied with the punchy bass coming from these little guys here, then you can just use the Oraimo Sound app. I didn't use the equalizer app for it, but if you want to, if you are not satisfied with the bass, then you can just turn on the avid bass, or you create your own equalizer for this Oraimo Freepods 3C. But I don't really need this equalizer because it is just more than enough straight out of the box. Aside from that, there's just one thing that I think Oraimo should have added to these little guys here, which is the active noise cancellation feature, ANC. I can't see anywhere around the box that states that it comes with active noise cancellation. So that means there's no active noise cancellation on it. I wish this guy comes with active noise cancellation feature. That would have been better because ANC will have make it a big deal. But if they are using ANC, I don't think the price will be the same. So the price will be higher. And in my full review video, I'm going to share with you guys if it's worth upgrading from Freepods 3 or if you are using anyone below. So stay tuned for that. And if you have any question, please drop it down there in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I remember about Motayo and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.